Look what we have here, Octogena cypriaca. Here in Cyprus, we call them martoui because they come in March. And there's an old saying that if you step on them or if you kill them, you will become bald. So traditional wisdom knew how important biodiversity was. When you have a bigger diversity, when you have a bigger number of different organisms in an ecosystem, it becomes more stable. Diversity brings stability. And here in all the farms of Oleafen, we are training farmers to respect that biodiversity and create the conditions for it to thrive. Because we want all those guys, we want all the ecosystem services that they will provide in our agro ecosystem. And diversity collapse is one of the biggest threats we're all facing. And if you were driving your car 20, 30 years ago, you remember that it was covered in insects, especially at night. Now your car always stays clean. That's really frightening things. But the good news is that it doesn't take much to increase biodiversity. You give the nature a chance and it will thrive. We just need to change our practices. This is what we do here, regenerative agriculture, permaculture. We don't have any enemies here. We do not kill. We don't use pesticide, organic or whatever. And we create stability, working with nature, not against it.